Strategic outsource. Strategic outsource is used so that a company can focus on its core operation. It also used to cut the cost on labor and among others. While privacy has been a recent area to convey for outsourcing contractors, it also drawn a criticism of impact and the labor market in domestic economics. In Tata Group strategic outsource team, Mixia Tata Service and TCS resources focus on the cost reduction and strategic for indirect categories. To arrive at the appropriate opportunities, they followed executive process which include gathering analysis to spend a data from over the Tata companies. Tata Group of companies is the largest private corporate groups in India and has been recognized as one of the most respected companies in the world, which was founded as a Samsetji or Tata in 1991. The company has operation in more than 85 countries across 6 continents, and its companies export the product and service in 80 national companies and subsidiaries in 7 business sectors in Tata Son of Limited in 2010. And the major parts of Tata Groups Limited, they are Tata Steel, Tata Motors, Tata Tea, Tata Communication, Tata Teleservice, and Tata Hospitals. And Tata Technologies are used. In TSC helps some of the world largest company adopted the right technology, enable the solution that helps the following manner in Tata Sons Limited company in 2010, optimizing the business performance, private performance, facilities alignment of a business with technology, connecting their extend supply chain, reduce the product development time, improve the product differentiation, product real time, business insight, lower optimal cost. The growth of the strategy followed by Tata groups were largely organized, where it grew majority through new product development and technological upgradation and innovation. The growth of the strategy helped the companies pioneer several industries in India that are power, steel, and airline and hospitalities. A relatively incorporate then inorganic growth strategy. Organizing a growth has created better control and coordinating the Tata groups. Help it avoiding a cultural classic the rise of accepting a new companies. Reducing competitors helped the Tata groups enter the new market and expand the customer base. Quick growth consolidation of the size, increasing technological and innovation.
Hi, I'm Kamachi Pandi. Now I'll talk about Entries and Greensia's strategy outsourcing. They are technology and operations management of California Polytechnic and State University. First, what is outsourcing? Outsourcing is the act of transferring some of an organization recurring internal activities and decision rights to outside providers as set for in the contract. Strategic use of outside parties to perform activities traditionally handled by internal staff and resources. Contracting and non-core and non-revenue producing activities to specialized service providers. Unlike traditional parties of contracting, outsourcing is a strategic management tool that involves organization restructuring. Unlike in contracting, it allows the organization to concentrate on its core competencies. Outsourcing non-core business processes to outside service providers like logistics, warehousing, IT software, hardware, human resources, payroll processing, manufacturing, enterprise resource planning, a multi-billion industry. History, growth and trend. The oldest form of outsourcing is specialized machinery. The original cotton and woolen mills that defined the start of the Industrial Revolution were self-contained entities. Mechanics made everything on site except the bricks and mortar for the buildings. Over time, people discovered that they could sell equipment to mills by designing and making cheaper and better equipment. They succeed and gave birth to the outsourcing industry. Many people would argue that this is not outsourcing. However, it meets the criteria. A third party provides a product or service designed to meet the buyer specification, and the buyer is motivated because the seller is offering with specialized expertise. Trend in larger organization is to outsource entire process. Nike focuses on what it does best, marketing, and leaves the manufacturing of store in place such as Thailand. Nike designs what they are selling. The Thai manufacturer makes and delivers the product. Why strategic outsourcing? Strategic outsourcing benefits: focus on core competitions, free management from repetitive, reduces investment and generates cash. Organizations can concentrate on core competitions. Organizations can adopt best-in-class practices. Vendors have considerable strength and focus on outsourcing processes to remain competitive. They are continuously looking to improvise their service and adopt best practices to make them more efficient. This helps organizations achieve faster, efficient, effective, and more economical business process. Outsource activities allows companies to have great leverage in responding to changes to gain marketing access and expand, reduce cost and advise latest technologies. Vendors often implement latest technologies to make their process and services. Company can take advantage of these technologies, which they might not be always able to do if they were conducting activities in houses. Economic of sales. Vendors' economics of sales helps drives down overall cost in the system, thus enabling companies to realize more productivity and efficiency. Why not? Loss of expertise can lead to decrease or total loss of in-house expertise. Loss of control increase organizations as it becomes partially or totally depend on a service provider. Need to modify policies and procedures or develop new procedures to coordinate with vendor. Example: QC policies, problem resolution procedures need to be in a place to address any situation arising, records quality service. Sourcing logistics. Logistics process of strategical managing the procurement and movement and storage of materials and finished goods throughout the organization and its marketing channel in most cost efficient and profitable manner for the organization and the customer. Outsourcing logistics function to free resources, time and finance to focus on your mission critical and core activities. A multi-million-dollar industry. Third party logistics, 3PL. 3PL is the function by which the owner of goods outsourcing various elements of supply chain to one 3PL company that can perform the management function of the client's inbound freights, customs, warehousing and order fulfillment and distribution and outbound freight to the clients. Advantages of strategic outsourcing. focus on core competitions, save companies limited resources to concentrate on what is does best. Rider Rider dedicate logistics and GM's Saturn Rider fully take care of Saturn's logistics need to Saturn concerns on manufacturing and best practices. Organization may not always follow best practices. Strategic outsourcing logistics to third-party logistics allows companies to implement best practice. This allows organizations to achieve best performance. Enhance technological capabilities and flexibility. Use of information technology has enhanced the efficiency of logistic operations. TPL often invest in these technologies to provide competitive service and investment. Organizations can save consider amount of investment that may be required in building logistic assets and networks and facilities like warehouse. Companies can outsource these requirements by outsourcing logistics and invest in developing their core process and economical of sales. 3PL who can own assets old can consider size, large customer base and considerable resources, which in turn mean economics of scale. Disadvantage of strategic outsourcing. First, cost and outsourcing logistics may be cost more than running in-house operations. Customer oriented of 3PL. How customer oriented or flexible in 3PL is important. These intangible benefits need to carefully evaluated. Asset owning versus not asset owning 3PL. Whether 3PL owns asset or does not own assets should be considered in decision making. 3PL who own assets would be considerable size, large customer base and considerable resources, which in turn mean economic of sales. On the other hand, they may tend to favor their own divisions and may not be flexible enough.